In this video, we're stepping inside 3 she sheds that are beautifully designed, but more importantly, they were built with intention. From a peaceful retreat to a legacy-driven space to one that's already generating real income. And before we're done, I'm also showing you where you can go to DIY your own she shed. Now let's get into it. All right. Now this space right here is what a lot of people picture when they think of a she shed. Venicia, who also goes by V, calls this space Chalet V. And honestly, the name fits because this really does feel like her own little slice of heaven. It overlooks a lush shade garden, the kind of peaceful space where you can sit and read, listen to music, watch the birds, and even watch the squirrels chase each other around the yard. Her husband built this structure himself by hand, without heavy machinery. That alone is impressive. And even that little deck, that came later, almost as an afterthought. But about 5 years ago, Chalet V got a full she shed redo. Venicia and her husband breathed new life into it with new flooring, new stairs, and a complete paint job. The upper level is her actual living space, while the lower floor is used for storage. And what makes Chalet V so unique is that it's organic. There's no power, no heat, just a rechargeable chandelier, a fan, a battery-operated string of lights, and a Bluetooth speaker for music. But even without all of the extras, it still feels warm, inviting, and complete. And that's really the beauty of this space. It isn't trying too hard. It's not about excess, it's about peace. So yes, this she shed is beautiful, but more important than that, it feels lived in, loved, and peaceful. And that right there is a whole she shed slay. Now this next space, this is about legacy. Created by Cyshelle, this is her Zeta she shed, standing for sisterhood, healing, and empowerment. Cyshelle built this 48 by 12 foot space to reflect her commitment to Zeta Phi Beta and everything that comes with it. Service, leadership, and sisterhood. Inside, it functions as her craft studio, her planning space, and a place where creativity and purpose come together. But what makes this shed stand out is that nothing is random. Pieces collected from Zeta conferences, items sourced from within the sisterhood, details layered over time. This is not just decor, it's storytelling, and most importantly, it's forward thinking. Because this space isn't just for her, it's for the next generation. Young women who will walk into the space and see what legacy truly looks like. And that's more than decor. That's sisterhood, that's legacy, that's identity. And when it all comes together like that, that's a she shed slay. Sis, this is what it looks like when your vision becomes a business. Brittany created this she shed over 4 years ago, and today it's a fully functioning beauty studio. She specializes in micro locks, sister locks, and traditional locks, serving clients and teaching classes right from this space. And as a sister lock girl myself, I already know the level of care and precision this work takes. Now look at this space. Clean layout, professional styling chairs, dedicated workstations. It feels like a salon, but it's right in her backyard. And that's what makes it powerful. She didn't wait for a storefront. She didn't wait for perfect timing. She built what she needed and turned it into income. This isn't just a she shed. This is a revenue stream. And that's why Brittany's she shed is a slay. you'd like to create your own she shed, you have some options. First, consider purchasing a basic shed and converting it yourself into your ideal she shed. You can do that by buying it from places like Home Depot, Amazon, or even Temu. If you prefer to get a completed she shed, then certainly visit a site like Etsy. They have she sheds for sale, and they are beauties. They come in all sizes, shapes, colors. You can probably find what you're looking for on a site like this. The other thing is that they have decorative items. So, for example, this personalized she shed sign will certainly zhuzh up any she shed. You can add your name as well as when you established it. And then there's this welcome mat. That's what she shed, as well as some other cute items. So have lots of fun on Etsy. Then you might want to navigate over to Wayfair. They have a wide selection of basic sheds, and they're here. And then you can also go to finished sheds like this one. This is called a chic shed, and it's almost $8,000. But it is super cute. Sis, which one of these spaces resonates with you? Do you need peace and escape, or are you building something with purpose? Let us know down in the comments. Quick temperature check. I just want to make sure you're good. If this is your kind of conversation, I want to invite you to a deeper connection by joining the Redo Room right here on YouTube. This is Black decor with intention and meaning. To join, just click the join button next to subscribe on this video. If you're watching on your phone, tap join right under the video title. Everything happens right here on YouTube. As a Redo Room Essentials member, you'll get early access to videos, member-only posts, and behind-the-scenes moments. And if you upgrade to Redo Room Prime, you'll get monthly Black decor hit lists, deeper dives, and content I don't share publicly. No pressure, just an option. I'd like to leave you with this soft life moment. Our three she shed sisters show us that peace doesn't just happen. It's created, it's protected, and it's honored. Because not everything you build is meant to perform. Some things are built to hold you, to ground you, to remind you of who you are when everything else gets loud. And sometimes the most powerful thing you can create is a space that lets you return to yourself. And that's what I love about she sheds, because whether you build them for income, for legacy, or for peace, these spaces remind us that we can create exactly what we need right where we are. Thanks for hanging out with me today, family. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss the next soulful, inspirational moment right here on Mommy Room Redo.